I don't know, the language is really interesting. It's sort of like seeing all the roots and seeing how clearly they all come down to make Yiddish, and learning like there's this middle high German, and there's this Lashon Kodesh, and there's these Slavic languages. I think it's really interesting to see where those come and how they all fit into Yiddish when we do talk about those sort of things. And I think I even take Hebrew, like I speak a little bit of Hebrew, conversationally Spanish and English obviously, and I never thought about those things in those languages. You know, it's never been something that I've like recognized and talked to myself about or talked to other people about, you know, and Yiddish is like, we're looking at it as an academic language, and I think it's really interesting and sort of weird to look at it that way when the people who were in the majority of speaking it would never even consider that. It was like so far from their minds. So yeah, it's sort of this historical language, and it's sort of this like booming culture now for me being here and being here during Paper Bridge and seeing all of these people that come and fill up all these seats, and like there is an audience, and that's incredible to me that I didn't think existed. So it's definitely a mix of the language and the culture.